The problem with the MotoGuzzi starter solenoid is the current goes from the battery through the ignition switch and then through the relay to the starter solenoid. Over time, the ignition switch here gets dirty at point A, and then the current gets limited, and then you get limited current here. And sometimes when you press the start button, the relay activates, but there's not enough current to run the starter solenoid. So you get click, click, click. To fix it, what you could do is to not use the current that goes through the original factory starter relay to run the solenoid here, but to use this current to run a new relay, which doesn't need as much current as the starter solenoid. So you turn the key here, press the start button, you get current goes through this relay to the new relay, and then the new relay will take the full current, this big red wire, and send the full current all the way to the starter solenoid. So then it always starts. Not too many parts, not too little parts either, but we have the new relay, and it's a Hella with a H here, Hella relay, 25 amp fuse is built in. So the reason to use this relay is it's a relay with a fuse built in. Then the relay socket, I wasn't really happy with it, but it worked. It's kind of big and clunky. You could probably get a better relay socket. Then to put connectors in the relay socket, you need these female uninsulated connectors, 6.3 millimeters. And you need, for the other side, you need these insulated connectors to put new wires on the starter solenoid. And yeah, these are these insulated male and female connectors. And then some connectors for the battery side, some silicone covered wire, and some well-nut windscreen or fairing connectors. I use these, don't have to use those. So first step is you take 4 wires and put these connectors on one side. So female insulated connector on one, a male insulated connector on the other, but cut off the insulation at the tip, and then 2 battery connectors. And then here, measure all the wires based on where you want to mount the relay. Here's a diagram of how to put the connectors. So one side of the wires has these uninsulated female ones. The other side of the wire, so connector 30 on the relay has the female insulated spade connector. Connector 85 has the male insulated spade connector with the insulation cut off at the end. 86 has the negative battery cable, and 87 has the positive battery cable. So the way this works is you press the starter switch, it goes through 85 to the battery, which makes the relay work. And when the relay works, it takes the positive battery terminal current through it and to the starter solenoid. That's pretty much all there is to it.